What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, the Growth Spurt Expert, which by the end of this video actually, if you watch all the way to the end, you will see the irony of that name. You will see, because all of this, it's actually my first time with zero expertise, going off of just research I find online, which is how this whole thing came about, this whole project came about, the build of the tent, the flowers you see before you. Yeah, the irony in the Growth Spurt Expert. Let's go in. So what I'm going to show you today is what I'm going to do to basically improve air circulation inside the tent, which has zero fans, limiting the air circulation and ventilation systems that I have in place. So what I'm going to do is remove the fan leaves below here, basically clear everything up that does not need to be down there, and make it as fresh as possible. So the growth of the plant is healthy and steady, limiting mildew growth. As I was saying, limiting the mildew growth. But you'll see, stick with me as I try and remove the fan leaves. Let's go. So this right here is what I'm going to be using to remove the fan leaves. It's small and it's sharp. So let's go. I'm going to be starting here at the bottom. So what you're going to want to do is not leave this lying in there, because it might grow moldy and whatnot. So you just need to cut it out and remove it. So as you can see, the space is very limited in here, so it is a bit hard to prune, but I'm hoping as time goes on I won't have to do this as much, because it will get crowded in here as the plants grow. So yeah, so far so good. That's what I'm saying. The plants look strong and healthy. They should be able to grow all the way to, what do you call this? All the way to what is this? All the way to flowering. So if that happens, the experiment would have been a success, and everything and all the effort I put into this thing will not have been for nothing, and we will have fruits to reap at the end. Fruits to harvest, fruits to reap, whichever you prefer. So what else am I going to remove? Okay, I'm going to take out these big fan leaves right here to expose the vegetation below to the light. very, very, very difficult, but one of the days work. Everything seems to be coming along perfectly. I'll have to pick those up later, but they shouldn't be a problem. There shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to be removing the fan leaves that are covering the branches I want to grow beneath. So yeah. I want this right here. Hope you can see. Let me show you this. Move the camera just a little bit. I want this right here. This right here. I want this right here to go healthy and strong. Go up to this height, you know. Hopefully by the time it gets to the flowering stage, all of this right here, all of this is grown. So yeah. I don't see why it wouldn't be. So another thing I wanted to show you, see these trees, I was lucky enough to prune them early before I realized the tent was going to be too small, and the genetics of the plants, they are tall plants, so I was able to prune them early so I can train them. So here's what I did to pull off this branch right here to the side. See? Right here, to expose all of this to the light, and the training for these ones is coming along nicely actually. So I'm going to take out the fan leaves here too. These right here. Take out the fan leaves. These right here. To make sure everything comes along nicely. As you can see, check this out. It's nice and breathable now below. Nice and breathable. So development should come along great.